Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Jeep, Belfast, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers makes moving day a look forward to by providing all essential materials that ensure a stress-free moving process. From packing peanuts to sturdy boxes, their team has the right equipment for your belongings safety as you move from your current location to your desired destination. They also have adequate knowledge that can benefit you if you are undecided about the neighborhood you have chosen to relocate to. 3 Movers boast sturdy vehicles and qualified drivers that ensure the safe relocation of your belongings. They're also excellent movers that ensure hassle-free relocation. Even if you choose private packing, 3 Movers should be the moving company you are liaising with as military personnel who currently get posted across town. No need to be daunted by the moving process. This team will ensure a smooth process, giving you enough room to settle in. Long-distance moving is difficult due to many factors, including coordination, potential risk of property damage while in transit, transported challenges, distance time, and logistics. Each of these processes can be daunting for you, the mover. That's why, as someone embarking on a long-distance move to Belfast, regardless of the state you're coming from, you should work with an expert long-distance mover known to handle the above efficiently. Think of 3 Movers whenever you think about movers that employ up-to-date technology and have the manpower required for handling long-distance relocation. This moving company has instituted trusted systems to ensure an easy experience. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Belfast moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.